All right, everybody, how you doing? I got a mystery box here for you today, coming all the way from California, from a subscriber, Patreon member, super chatter, big supporter of the channel. Want to give him a shout out, ZENTOASTER. I won't give his real name or anything like that. He just goes by that. He doesn't have a channel or anything. He's just a good guy. He just wanted to help out the channel. He likes what I do. He believes in what I'm doing. And I'm going to make him a custom out of a 41 black ice chrome that he put in there. That is one of the Zippos in here. But I don't know everything he put in here. I know a couple. I don't know what he put in here. This thing's heavy, though. He shipped it. It got here in a week. So he must have super shipped that thing because it got here fast. I was pretty surprised. It actually got here on Monday, but the video will be posting Tuesday. I'm going to email Kyle right after this video. And we're going to see what's up. Oh, what a cool box. It's like an accordion box. Or he just folded like that. Maybe it was a taller box. I don't know. Cool box, though. I like that. I like that concept. All right, let's see what we got. I can already see some boxes in here. This is pretty damn cool. I hope he didn't put a note on the bottom, because I like to read the note. Usually they write a nice note. I guess he didn't write a note, which is fine. You don't have to write a note, but most people do. All right, so a 41 replica, brand new in box. He sent me a 41 replica. Okay, I'm gonna move the box over, and we'll pull out one at a time, and we'll see what we got here. So he sent a brushed chrome 41 replica. Let's check it out. Look, see with the new patent number? It says it doesn't have the patent number. It says replica on it. This is a B21. Wow, thank you so much, Kyle. I don't own one of these. I wasn't even going to buy one because it says replica now. To have one of these is pretty cool because now I can make like a video showcasing it. I already did, but, you know, I will make another one. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's sick. You know, I'm going to customize it. Now, I don't know what these white boxes are. I don't know. I've never seen that. We don't get them like that in Canada. I'll just keep opening the other boxes. Oh! An armor. A high polished chrome armor, man. Sick. Oh, upside down. Oh, so the stamp is a reverse stamp. It's not lined up. How you can tell, because if your hinge is on the left side and it's like this, and you do this, the stamp should be right. So this is an upside down stamp. I love that. Also a February 2021. Like I mentioned in the video, you can see they moved the registered trademark and the P has slightly slid over a bit. Those are markers to tell that it's an authentic 21. So if you order one and the bottom stamp doesn't look like that, you have a counterfeit. I probably should make a video on that because they are out there. I don't own one. That's why I didn't make the video. But as we move on, so that is sick. Thank you so much. I didn't know I was gonna get these with boxes and stuff. This is awesome. Man, like what a cool surprise. Like who does that? Like that is awesome, man. Like who sends someone this many Zippos just because they love your channel? Like this YouTube thing has really opened up and expanded my horizon and introduced me to some really cool people. Whoa! Wow. This is one of those laser engraved ones. Okay, see, now here is a good thing to see, right? You know this is an authentic Zippo. And look, see, it's a 20. Oops, sorry, that's upside down. It's a 20, and this is a 21. You can see the registered trademark has moved. The P has moved. So interesting, but this is an extremely nice Zippo. Like, wow, what a gift. Distinctive top. It's got the different kind box to show the reflective. So this is like a luxury box or something. I can't remember what these are. It says on the website what each box means something when it's like something. But that's what that is. This is an expensive Zippo too, to buy brand new. Wow, what a gift. Thank you, Kyle. I would have never actually bought one because of the price it is to buy one of these in Canada. You know, for me to spend almost $100 on it, I just couldn't, right? So, thank you, man. What a gift. That is amazing. And you know what, too? And I am going to do giveaways, too, with some of these. I just want people to know Kyle wanted me to do some giveaways. He likes to watch them on the live stream. That was another part of this too. But I get to decide which ones to give away, and I'm going to customize them, and I'm going to customize him one. All right. So what do we have here? Oh, man. Another one, but brass. Are you joking me? This is a 20, G20 Bradford armor. Oh, no, it's not an armor. Sorry. I seen the flat bottom for a second there. I thought it was an armor. Oh, man, sick. And that's one of those really nice engraved ones. It just, the two on the side really bring your eyes and just focus you down. It looks like it's a rainfall almost. You know what I mean? It's I absolutely love this design. What a great engraving job. You know, I like to see these things too because it's just so pleasing to the eye, and it's solid brass, so it's always going to be, you can do whatever you want. It'll get tarnished and look nice, or you can polish it and it'll look nice. Whatever you're into. I like tarnish. Man, wow, what a gift. Okay, there's some more Zippo boxes, but I didn't realize there's some loose ones in here. They were hidden. So let's start pulling out the loose ones and see what we got. Okay, so 1996, Mr. and Mrs. Oh, wait, no, Me and My Girl, 1996. Oh, this is like a classic Zippo. Cool, this is an American one. You know what? So, like, this is going to be one that I'll probably engrave and do in a giveaway. That's perfect. That'll be one of my engraved ones I do in a giveaway. It'll be a vintage one. That's going to be sick. Okay, here's the black ice chrome that I'm going to do for him. Oh, and it's one of the original with the patent number. He is lucky because I prefer these ones. I think these ones are the better ones. I don't like the ones that say replica. I'm pretty upset about that. But it doesn't matter. Life goes on, right? You know, Zippo will always be changing things up. I'm sure they'll change it back in 10 years. But, wow, okay. So this is the one for him. This is the one for him. It wasn't in a box or anything, so I wonder if it didn't fit in a box. And that's why he put it loosely, because it does seem brand new. Maybe he used it with a different insert for a while. I don't know. I'm sure he'll message me and let me know. So this one's for Kyle, and this is going to be interesting because this is the first time we're going to see a black ice chrome custom, and it's going to be on a 41. I think the brass image is going to just pop with the black ice chrome, and because the black ice chrome is dark, I also think that even when the brass tarnishes, it's still going to look better than a very bright chrome, because when the brass tarnishes in a chrome, the chrome's so bright that it kind of makes the brass look darker. And when you do it on a darker surface, the brass stays brighter. I'm very excited about that. Stay tuned for that video. Kyle still hasn't told me what he wants on it yet, so I can't start making it. But he's working on that, exactly what he wants. He wants it to mean something and be nice. So thanks, Kyle. Okay, so what do we have here? We have another brushed chrome, used condition, a G2002. And you can see back then they used to put the registered trademark on the bottom, and the P was almost fully over the A. And like I said, now the P is now completely over the M. So changes they make in the stamp, and these changes, guys, are to help them authenticate Zippos, right? Like, if you go on their website, they say if they get a counterfeit Zippo and they find out and stuff like that, they will press criminal charges, right? That doesn't mean they're going to press criminal charges on you for having it. Like, you buy a Zippo from eBay, say you believe it's authentic, it comes in a box, you send it to Zippo for repairs. When they find out it's a counterfeit. They'll fix it and send it back to you, and they don't tell you nothing. But they might ask you, hey, where'd you get it? What website? Blah, blah, blah. And you might not think, oh, I got it here, and you send an email. They're looking for the counterfeits. Zippo does not like counterfeiters, and that is why all these things slightly change every single year. It helps them. They got a log of it, and they don't tell the public what the changes are on the bottom stamp. They keep a log of it. It's up to us as users to find it and look at it and compare them every single year they come out and look at them. That's how you find this stuff out. So let's move on. Oh, what is this? It looked like it had some sort of team logo on it. It's a satin chrome E2004 used condition. Obviously, you know, it's 2004. Perfect. So there's another customized giveaway I can do, man, like, oh, thanks, Kyle. I appreciate that, dude. You're the man. Because, like, you know, that's some more giveaways I get to do. I get to do engraving giveaway. I get to do some etched giveaways. And you know what? This one actually might, because the chrome is worn off pretty bad, I might actually take all the chrome off, make that a brass, and then nickel plate an image on that. So I'll have 3 different types of giveaways already. I'm pretty excited about that. I love doing the giveaways. I have so much fun doing those, and I like being able to create and nobody's telling me what they want on it, and I just have my own full range to do what I want. I like that. And so another one is a brushed chrome, or you know what? This actually might have been a high polished chrome at one point, I believe, just worn off. Ooh, Bradford 3 and a 2 to the right. I believe that's somewhere 76 or something like that. I don't know. I can't remember off the top of my head. So a 70 Zippo, nice and really good shape. I might customize this and keep this for myself, to be honest, because I don't have any vintage Zippos that I could customize for myself. And these ones, I don't feel bad customizing because this era, they're pretty much a dime a dozen. You got to remember, Zippo was the most popular lighter on earth from the 50s to 70s. Those were their best years of sale, basically. That was the most distributed they've ever been. Because everyone had 5. You know what I mean? Like, people didn't have Bic lighters at the time. The Bic wasn't invented until like the 70s or something. So there's one more loose in here. Oh, man. He sent me a high polished chrome armor. Are you joking? That's sick. A war armor. Oh, man. Nice. And it's chrome. I don't own a chrome one. So, like, I'm going to be able to customize this in an etch style. That's pretty crazy. Wow, man. But I don't know. I might do that as a gift for him. And send this back to him. That's a big gift to give somebody, you know, and I really appreciate it. But I feel like all these lighters, I gotta give him. I gotta do more for him than just the one. Like these are a lot of brand new lighters and good lighters and great shape vintage lighters and like giveaways for the channels, and you know that creates new eyes when I do giveaways, right? Like I get a lot of new eyes on the channel, so when I do giveaways, it's a good thing. When you help me like that to do giveaways so I can get more eyes on the channel, that's very appreciative in my books. So I'm definitely going to do 2. Now, if you don't want the Zorro and you want it on a different one, just let me know and I'll do that one when you're watching the video. Okay, so that is it for loose lighters. That is it for loose lighters in here. But there is still more boxes. So let's see what we got. No friggin' way. Are you joking me? Wow. Okay. Now, this Zippo, man, I want to buy it. Okay? I want to buy it. I've always looked at this. This was always very pleasing to the eye. Like, I love this. Just, it's an armor case. It's got the blue. It's not actually a sapphire, but like a blue sapphire gem it's supposed to be like. Man. And the thing is, I never bought this. It's an I-20. Armor, you can see the emblem there. I never bought this because in Canada, it's on the Zippo.ca website. It's like $120. So with taxes, you know what I mean? That's going to cost me almost $150 for this Zippo. And in the States, I think, like, I don't know if the price has dropped. I don't know how much you paid for it. I have no idea. Or where he even got it from. I don't know. Like, man, this is a lot of money in lighters. Like, especially in Canada for me, right? Because you got to think in Canada, when I order one of these, I have to pay shipping, and it's like $30 on top of every one. So it's like not worth it for me to get it, because for $10, $20 more, I can just order from Zippo.ca and get it in 2 days and not have to wait weeks. But anyway, that's my problem. It's not everyone else's. But wow, man, like I never thought I'd own one of these because it was just too expensive. And I absolutely love this one. I don't know if you knew or you seen one of my videos where I was talking about it, but this is one I've always absolutely wanted, man. Absolutely love this thing. That's insane. And thank you, man. That's awesome. Okay, now, like I said, I never seen these boxes before. I did take a peek when I was talking here. During I was talking, you could see right here. So this one's a rose gold. It says on here. I'm not going to look at the other 2. This one was on top facing up, so I couldn't help but read it. So we're going to check that out. This is to practice a custom on because they're $50 here, and he can get them for $20, he said. So Yeah, classic rose gold. Let's see what we got here. What does it say? Is that a D or a G? I can't see. And it's a 20. Okay, it is a G. It is a G. And that is just a beautiful lighter. I have big plans for this. I'm going to completely customize this. And what I love about this is this gets to be mine. I only own one other rose gold Zippo. I bought it for my son for his birthday. And I'm going to practice customizing this one first to see how it looks and works and how to do it properly and turns out. And this will be mine. And then I'll be able to do my son's. And he'll get a nice, beautiful one. So thanks, man. Like, this is sick. Where did I put the top? Okay. This is friggin' sick, man. Wow. I can't believe that. Because, like, and you know, these Zippos are so expensive in Canada. They're so expensive. Like, and in the States, they're so cheap. I'm so lucky I got American friends. Like, okay, so this one's taped. I don't want to ruin the box or the sticker, so I'm going to just pull this off camera and cut the tape with my knife gently. I like the sleeves. We don't get these sleeves in Canada, so I don't know. I've ordered new Zippos, same years, and they did not come with sleeves. Alright, so let's see what this is. I'll put the box up there. Whoa. What is this? Sorry, the lights made it look different color. I had a hard time seeing it. So this is a high polished brass. Oh, the new Armor 21. Okay, so look at this. We could see that the stamp has changed on the armor also. I should make a video of it. Placement is completely different. They've changed the armor size of the symbol here. I've noticed that right away. The tool stamping is really making a round indent now. Like, so not as only are the dates stamped in, they're making like a round indent. Can you see the lighter? Can you see the light reflect off the roundness? They're really pushed in. You see that? So good to know. Good to know, right? That's something we know now. And a high polished brass. And I complained that I bought these for $12 before, and now, like, for me to get one is $50. And listen to this, okay? On Zippo.ca, it's $50 to buy an Armor high polished brass and $45 to buy a high polished regular brass. Like, how is it a $5 difference? Like, how is it a $5 difference? It's not a $5 difference on the Zippo.com website. Oh man, just funny things. Oh dude, this is sick. Another Armor Zippo for me, man. Like, and you know what? I was really bummed out when I lost that one in Montreal too. And this one's broken. I actually don't have another Armor one I'm using. Well, my Hot Girl Armor, but it was a chrome one, and I have to change that. I don't like it anymore. And we have one more. It is not taped. So we can just pull this out. I have no idea what it is. I didn't read the thing or anything like that. You might have read it there on camera. I'm not looking at the camera. All right, so what do we got? Okay, so they did stop putting the sticker on the outside, and I guess they put it on that sleeve now, is what I'm guessing. Oh, another Armor. And it's also a new one. Also a new one. It's a B21, and look, you could see the same indents of it being stamped, and it's rounded in. It's really stamped in there. Now, and you could see the Armor too. Huh. Wow, okay, so we got all those Zippos, man. Whew. Wow. Kyle, thanks so much, man. ZENTOASTER, you're the friggin' man, dude. What a beautiful thing to do, and amazing gifts. I really appreciate that, man. Like I said, email me. I'm going to do whatever other custom you want. You just let me know which one. And thank you very much. I'm going to be doing videos on all these Zippos, and I'm going to be doing some customizations and doing giveaways in the channel. So thank you for that, man. You've really helped me expand, and I really appreciate it. And just for the gifts too, like nobody buys me anything in real life. It's amazing to get a gift from someone, because I don't even get one in real life. So this is a big thing for me. Thanks very much. I really appreciate that, man. And take care, everyone. This video is running long. I'll see you in the next one.